Hey guys, Kirby Smith Lightspeed Construction coming today here from units 9, 10, and 911 in Maryville, Tennessee. It is an older 3-tab, approximately, I'm gonna guess these were replaced probably 2011 or 12, so maybe 10, 11 years old. Unfortunately, one of the gripes that I've got is they went back with the old ridge vent, took it off, put it back on, did a job where they, probably saved the old ridge vent and reused it, and these things leak all the time. I know that's a possibility for leaks here. Furthermore, I know there's been some repairs that have been done to several of these plumbing boots. These two would certainly be one of them, although those repairs look older and kind of rough. Somebody's blackjack up a couple of boots over here in the recent past and done some others. I'm guessing this is for some sort of a leak, and blackjack that real good, blackjacked here, and not sure if that resolved the roofing issue or not, because we're out here actually looking at quoting for replace on this roof today. This roof could be maintained for years longer, to tell you the truth. I don't think it's impossible to see that. The ridge vent, looking at this pipe boot, I think we're okay here. The ridge vent should certainly be replaced. That would be some fairly low-hanging fruit, that should have been replaced when it was roofed, and could certainly be a cause of any and all leaks that might be experienced here. But if it's to be replaced, that's perfectly fine, and we'll get a quote for both. But and the shingles don't really look all that bad. They're in pretty darn good shape, and the boards feel pretty solid. There's maybe a soft little spot here or there, but overall they feel pretty good. And I'll put it to you this way: if it were my property, I don't think I would suggest replacing this, but some folks want to, and that's okay. Anyways, guys, my name's Kirby Smith, and here inspecting an old 3-tab roof in Maryville, Tennessee. Thank you guys for watching this very much. I appreciate it. See you later.